Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the materials and laying out a clean workspace. Choose sticker paper, matte, glossy, or vinyl, based on durability needs, and use 8, 5x11 or A4 sheets for most home printers. Once ready, prepare your designs at 300 dpi with transparent PNGs and a 3-5 mm bleed so cuts don't clip art. Load paper into the printer with test scraps nearby. Print a single page to confirm colors and alignment before committing to a full run. Now lay out your sticker sheet. Arrange designs on a template with consistent spacing and roughly 0. 5. Margins to prevent edge issues during trimming. Print a color-proof page and compare to your screen. If colors shift, tweak saturation or change the printer color profile, then reprint. After the final print, protect the surface. Use self-adhesive laminate or clear packing tape applied smoothly to avoid bubbles, because this step increases water resistance and prevents ink smudging when you cut or handle sheets. Finish by cutting your stickers precisely. Use a paper trimmer for straight edges or scissors for shapes, and decide whether to leave a white border or kiss cut into the backing for mid-sheet stickers. Once cut, perform a peel test to confirm adhesive strength and store finished sheets flat to avoid curling. If something goes wrong, like ink smearing or poor adhesion, reprint using a different ink setting or higher quality paper, or add an extra laminate layer. This usually resolves most common home production issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.